Hey YouTubers, today on Learning with Logan we are going to handle what to do with a dog that is in heat. Today our subject is Riley and she is modeling doggy drawers. And there's her tail sticking through, and as you can see we're all taken care of. So how do you do doggy drawers? Can you buy them? No, you can't. Well, actually you can. You can buy dog diapers if your dog's not spayed or neutered or whatever, and you don't want to do that to your dog because you may end up breeding her later on. You want something to handle these heat cycles. So what we've done is made up our own doggy drawers, much cheaper than portable diapers. You can go with the training pants at a local store or something, but as you'll find out, it gets costly because it can last anywhere from 10 to 15 days. So what we did is made our own, and here's how we did it. All you need are a pair of youth little boy underwear, and we went with Paw Patrol because hey, she's a dog, and these are size 6, and actually a size 4 is a little bit closer to her waist size. I end up hemming these up a little bit to use up so that they have a snugger fit. And of course you'll need your feminine hygiene product. We went with the ultra thin overnights, and they're fairly cheap to buy and very easy to use. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your paws, your drawers, and you're going to take a knife, and right around where the seam is, about midway, you're going to take a knife and you're going to cut a small slit in these underwear, and that's going to make for the tail, and that's going to allow the tail to come up through. So we'll show you how we have a pair that's already sliced. It's been sliced, and it's approximately 1.5 to 2 inches, depending on how big your dog is and how big your tail is. Now at this point, you can merely put the pad on the inside and slip them on the dog. I go a step further because if you don't and you're not careful, this will tend to rip and it will elongate and basically it gets wasted. So if you have access to a sewing machine or a needle and thread, I suggest running a stitch around the opening, and that will keep it from tearing. Okay, now once you do that, the next step is to install the pad, which is very simple. Your first thing you're going to do is turn the underwear inside out. A simple grab and throw it inside out. Then we're going to take our pad, and it is taped closed. And open it up, and you'll see that I'm doing this with one hand. You'll see when you remove this backing, this side is sticky, and that's the side that will be pressed against the underwear. You notice this section here is slightly longer than this section here. This is the part that you want to cover up where the dog tail will be. That will give you more area, and you can tear it. You'll tear it right here to allow the dog's tail to go through. So our next step is to remove the backing, which that will peel off like so. So I'm going to center it right about here, so slightly above, and we're going to place it there. And as I said, there is adhesive, and I'll just press this in different areas. I'm actually going to have to pick it up with 2 hands and make sure that it's secured. There the pad is attached. Next thing we're going to do is turn the doggy drawers right side out and find out where the tail is on the doggy drawers, and we're going to tear this and put a hole in it. And there you go. Simply tear that for the dog's tail, and there they are. Basically it's a doggy diaper, doggy drawers, and we went with Paw Patrol. So yes, you have to take it off every time you let her out to go to the bathroom, and you put a fresh one on. There you go, dog lovers, dog owners, that your dog does have heat cycles and it's an indoor dog. That takes care of the problem. Thanks for watching. This is Logan Gray saying, hey, have a nice day. Yeah!